Discovering Antarctica, Marvels of the Last Frontier. Welcome to the land of extremes, Antarctica. This alluring continent is a world like no other, teeming with incredible secrets and jaw-dropping wonders. Imagine stepping onto a pristine icy expanse where nature rules supreme. What mysteries does this frozen wonderland hold? Prepare to be amazed by Antarctica's awe-inspiring realm. Antarctica is Earth's coldest, driest, and windiest continent. Temperatures can plummet to minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet, life thrives here against all odds. Explore the breathtaking beauty of endless ice sheets and formidable glaciers. Its vastness captivates explorers and scientists seeking to unlock its frosty secrets. This secluded continent possesses a mighty claim, holding nearly 60% of the world's fresh water trapped within its massive ice sheets. These frozen reservoirs play a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate and sea levels. Discover how Antarctica's icy heart beats rhythmically, influencing weather patterns globally. Hidden beneath the glacial surface lie remarkable subglacial lakes and rivers. They form an enigmatic ecosystem untouched by light for millions of years. How does life exist in such extreme conditions? Scientists are on a quest to unravel these mysteries, offering glimpses into early Earth's conditions and distant worlds. Antarctica is home to fascinating wildlife that has adapted to flourish in this frozen desert. Meet the iconic emperor penguins, resilient seals, and majestic albatrosses that brave the harsh environment. Watch as they huddle for warmth, displaying remarkable camaraderie and survival instincts amidst the ice and relentless winds. Life forms have evolved extraordinary adaptations to endure and thrive. From unique antifreeze proteins in fish to the blubber of seals, discover how these incredible creatures overcome the challenges of this icy expanse. Their perseverance is a testament to the resilience of life in the face of extreme adversity. During summer, the sun never sets, casting a surreal glow over the landscape. Winter envelopes the continent in polar night, offering the chance to witness ethereal auroras dancing in the sky. These natural light shows enchant viewers with shimmering waves of greens, purples, and blues painting the darkness. From legendary explorers like Shackleton to modern scientists braving the cold, humans continue to explore Antarctica. Research stations across the continent serve as hubs for scientific discovery, studying everything from climate change to space weather. Witnessing human perseverance in extreme conditions is awe-inspiring. Antarctica is a pristine wilderness that belongs to us all. It's vital to preserve its delicate ecosystem and respect international treaties protecting its environment. Learn how responsible tourism and research practices ensure this icy paradise remains untouched for generations, a testament to shared global stewardship. Antarctica stands at the forefront of climate change research. Scientists work tirelessly to understand global impacts on ice sheets and ecosystems. Their crucial findings influence policies mitigating climate change effects worldwide. Our future is intertwined with this icy land. Together, we shape destinies unfolding before us. Captivated by this extraordinary realm? Your Antarctic adventure awaits. Get involved in conservation efforts, support scientific research, or embark on an eco-conscious journey of discovery. Explore documentaries and immerse yourself in the wonders of this icy wonderland. Become an advocate for Antarctica's future. Venture forth to experience the majesty of this last frontier.